YouTube, what's happening? Your boy Cool Ass Kenny at the fold, back again with another video. Welcome back to the show, man. Listen, before we even get into this video, you already know what time it is. This video is brought to you and sponsored by Lord Almighty. All praises to the Most High, man. Listen, I just want to drop back on here and show y'all this little device that I got. I have been waiting on this. This is something I wanted to do. As I'm preparing to, redecorate, get my whole little vibe situation. Y'all know I got this back here. You know what I'm saying? Just understand it's on the same lines. It's on the same lines of all of this, you know what I'm saying? With the whole ambient lighting, mood theme type situation, you know what I'm saying? So this is just another added piece. I was excited to get this, but at the same time, I know this is not made for trucks and all this stuff, but I figured I can make it work. But I'm kind of upset because it's not how I wanted it. You know what I'm saying? It's not doing how I wanted it to do. But it's okay. We gonna make it work. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna make it work one way or another. Let's just get into it, man. This is a device that I purchased. So this is the hold on. Skylight, Bliss Lights Skylight. Okay, it's a Galaxy projector. As you can tell by the picture, I don't know if you can see that. Hold on, let me get some clearance. Focus, dadgummit. Okay, camera acting crazy. Anyway, yeah, that's the picture. Y'all can't really tell from the box because it's got a glare and stuff, but it's the device here, man. It's a Galaxy projector. It projects stars, and it has like a nebula cloud, like in the Orion. What is that? Is it Orion's belt? Yeah, Orion's belt, like the nebula in Orion's belt. So I thought this was a cool feature to get. The thing that kind of really prompted me to get this was, well, for one, I had something similar like this back in the day. Y'all remember like those little glow-in-the-dark stars you can put on your wall and ceiling and stuff? I had those back in the day. I always liked them, always thought they was cool. But this here, I never even thought about doing it until I started doing all this other stuff, purchasing all this other stuff. So, I was like, man, let me see if they got some of those little sticker star type things I can maybe stick on the on the ceiling or something up in here. And then I found this, and I'm like, ooh, you know what? This might work a little better. This might be better. So I went ahead and purchased this. I have hooked it up and played around with it. I do not like the fact that there's a couple things I don't like about this. For one, the design. I understand this is made to sit on a flat steel surface. That's exactly what it's made for, because these are legs right here. So that's how it stands up. It stands up just like a you know what I'm saying, like a PS, you know what I'm saying, like a gaming system or something. That's pretty much how it stands up, and it's round. And I thought it was a lot smaller from the pictures I seen online, but it's actually pretty beefy. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty big from what I thought it was gonna be. Here is the star system. Hold on, I'm gonna let y'all see this first before I actually turn it on. So you got the stars plus the nebula. You understand? Little cloud. It has options where you can do it separately. You know what I'm saying? You got your power on, post mode. Post mode is it'll change like different scenery, different background, and it'll go from stars back to the cloud, back to the stars and cloud together. And then you got your stars only, and then you got your cloud only. You feel me? Man, this thing keep doing that. But then you got the rotation. Rotation is you can make the stars move, or you can, you know what I'm saying, leave them sitting still, which I think that's a dope feature. Really dope feature. And then you got, you know, your brightness, high, medium, low, all that good stuff, man. So this the coming with this doggone thing. So yeah, this is the little system here. So I just bought this, man, just off of, you know what I'm saying, curiosity, trying to see, okay, dang, can I put some stars in my ceiling? You know what I'm saying? Because you know, obviously that's the going trend right now. Everybody want to put stars in their ceiling, in their cars and all that stuff. So this, of course, okay, let me just on this. This is not my truck to do whatever I want with. So any and everything I put in here, I can take it right back out. So anybody could get this system. And I'm gonna say anybody can get this system. Any of y'all truck drivers out there watching this, you can buy this too, because it just runs off of a little like USB cable. That's it. You can plug it into one of these car lighters and boom, there you go. You don't need a you know, like a big inverter to run this. You know what I'm saying? You don't need all that power. All you need is just that little USB connection. But it's a dope feature. The only setback is I hate that the fact that I couldn't do it as broad as I wanted to. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to cover a whole surface, a whole area, but the way it's set up, the way it's built, and because I'm doing it in a truck, so I have to mount it down somehow, is not going to work like that. I did have an option. I did see where I could get it to, you know, shine, you know what I'm saying, more, or have more coverage, but with that comes with the fact of trying to place it somewhere to where it's not gonna move, it's not gonna fall, all that stuff. So I done had to ghetto rig it up in a spot to where I can make it work. The only thing is it's in a limited area. It's not gonna be able to, I can't get my whole roof in stars, basically is what I'm saying. As all this, wait a minute, because see, I got all this space right here. This is all my roof. So basically it's really only gonna above my bed here. That's the only place where I can really get it, set it up, and make it still to where it's not gonna move around, or, you know what I'm saying, all that stuff. So that's the only thing I was kind of upset about, but it still looks good and it's still dope. As you can tell, it's still sunlight outside, but give me just a second and we gonna get this thing popped on soon as the sun goes down. Yes, like that, y'all. We is back, man. We is back. Listen, I told you I was gonna give y'all a view of how this thing look, but I ain't even gonna like I said before, it came out pretty good. Like I said, the only thing I don't like about it is just the coverage and all that stuff, but it is what it is. But I think it turned out pretty good. So without further ado, let's take a look and see what happened. Oh yeah. Oh, we is in the mother loving galaxy. We is in the galaxy. Yes, man, let me tell y'all something. Let me turn this around and get y'all full exposure of this, man. So this is like I said before, this is just a starlight system it's called Starlight. It's a star projector system. Hold on, y'all, let me turn off this truck so y'all can hear me better. Okay, and we got that done. So yeah, it's a Starlight Galaxy system projector. You know what I'm saying? I had to hook it up down here. Like I said, I tried to put it in different spots. I don't know if this camera gonna show it justice, but it's got a blue tinge to it. Y'all can see the stars. I'm trying to hold it still, so I got it on rotation. So the stars do move and the cloud does move, which I think is pretty dope. So, and it just covered the whole top. This is my bunk, my top bunk. It's the bottom bunk. Now, I'm pretty sure some of y'all gonna be like, okay, why didn't you just lift up the top bunk and do it that way? Well, I use this top bunk as my storage, okay? This top bunk is my storage. I have a couple of things up here because everything up here, it's got so much stuff up under my bed. I couldn't put this stuff up under the bed. So I have to put it up here. So I have nowhere else to put it. So that's why I don't have it lifted up and probably getting a better, you know what I'm saying, view. But I'm okay with this, you know what I'm saying? I'm okay with this the way it is, you feel me? But yeah, it's a separation, but you know what I'm saying? I think it go well with everything. You know what I'm saying? Oh, don't mind those socks over there. But I pretty much like it. I think it's cool. I think it's dope. I think it's a good accented feature to the truck. To, you know what I'm saying, the whole ambiance in here. Like I said, if y'all want to know where I got this stuff, I'll put the links in the description. But I did purchase this off of Amazon. It was like 60 bucks, something like that. You might be able to find one for cheaper. But I mean, it's a cool little system. Like I said, you don't need like an inverter or nothing to plug it up. It plugs straight off of USB. So I got it plugged in right here. So it's a cool little feature, man. I'm quite surprised and happy with this little product. Now, how durable it is and how long it's gonna last and all this stuff, I don't know. But from the reviews, a lot of people got this product. A lot of people like this product. Like I said, with the lights in the floor and under the bed, I got all of these too. Those are Govee, Govee. I also purchased those off of Amazon as well. Those also, you don't really need. The front ones are, you know, a cigarette lighter. You know what I'm saying? You can just plug it in like that. The ones in the back, yeah, you do need an inverter for, or you know what I'm saying, regular AC/DC outlet. You know what I mean? So those have to work by that. But other than that, I mean, I think this is pretty dope. Like I said, I really wanted it to cover the whole roof. You know what I'm saying? Like all the way down. Like, because this is my hope. I can't even see that. Hold on, let me turn on this other light. So I'll get y'all full perspective of what's going on, what I'm talking about. So, oh crap. I got this thing on blue. Hold on. White. And with these, dadgummit. Okay, there we go. Yeah, with these little dot lights, I bought these. I actually initially intended for those to be a source of ambient light, but the thing about these little dots, I got these at like Walmart. Those are, they don't last long. They got a really short battery life. So it really doesn't make sense to have them as ambient lighting. So that's why I'm just using them now as like, you know, just interior light, dome light and all that stuff. So, you know what I mean? Like you can't keep them on. You leave them on all night or whatever. Probably the next day sometime, they're probably gonna either go off or be really, really dim. So they don't really work good for ambient lighting. Something that you know, probably want to have on, you know what I'm saying, majority of the time, or at night, throughout the night. But you know what I'm saying, they serve a purpose, but I won't buy them again. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, they're good for that purpose, but because they're battery operated and for whatever reason, they take a lot of juice, man. So I wouldn't purchase those. But anyway, yeah, that's it, man. Like I said, I got some more stuff coming. This is just another piece. I'm gonna do a couple of more other things, but I got one. The one I'm saving the best for last. I got one feature that's getting ready to come that I've been waiting on, that I've been wanting since I started this whole project, and it's gonna take everything to a whole nother level, man. It's gonna take everything to a whole nother level, so stay tuned, man. That is coming. I appreciate y'all for checking in, rocking with the campaign. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. You subscribe to my family channel that's Married without children. Okay, we can ready to come back on there. It's gonna be a whole different vibe, but it's gonna, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna bring y'all good content and consistent content, you know what I'm saying, once we get everything up and ready. So please do that. Also, you can follow me on my other platforms on Instagram. It's cool with a K _A55 Kenny. Facebook, Conscious with a K Kenny. That's it. Conscious with a K Kenny on Facebook. It's greatly appreciated, but man, I am tired for whatever reason. I don't even know why, because I really didn't do that much today. But I'm finna go ahead and get this grub on and get to bed, bro. But one more time for the stars, man. For the nebula. Let me get y'all full perspective though, so y'all see how this thing really up in here like that though. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just legit. I like it though. Even though I'm the only one who can probably see it, but that's alright. It's just for me and my eyes only. But it's dope, man. And it's pretty bright. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty bright. You know what I'm saying? They just got full. Get that full perspective, bro. Like, come on, man. It's fire, bro. Stop playing with him. I'm turning this truck into a man cave. That boy crazy. Alright, it's your boy Cool Ass Kenny 84, man. I'll holler at y'all on the next one. Yeah.